turning window. Why punctuation marks? Punctuation marks indicate pauses that are used in written text to separate sentences or to separate a part of a sentence from another to convey a clearer meaning. They are used to aid clarity and comprehension of written language. The comma. Comma is the shortest pause. It is used A. to separate more than two words or elements in a series. Examples: Catherine has purchased curtains, tablecloths, and cushion covers for her new house. The old woman has bought fresh berries, plums, and avocados to make a fruit pie for her grandchildren. B. to separate phrases and clauses in series. Examples: Harry spent his afternoon playing tennis, returning overdue library books, and eating a mushroom and chicken pizza. The candidate promised to lower the taxes, protect the environment, reduce crime, and provide more employment opportunities. C. to indicate a word or group of words in apposition. Examples: Pandit Birju Maharaj, the famous Kathak dancer, will inaugurate the new dance school tomorrow. Pratyusha, my childhood friend, participated in Delhi Marathon this year. However, a one-word apposition is usually not separated by a comma. Example: My cousin Veronica bought a fine porcelain vase for her living room. D. to set off a noun of address. Examples: Melinda, did you like the decoration of flowers? I have reserved a deluxe room for my wife, sir. Mother, please make me some pancakes and cold coffee for breakfast. E. to separate expressions like yes, no, oh, and well. Examples: Yes, the puppy follows me everywhere in the house. No, the cake is not ready yet. Oh, your baby is adorable. Well, I have many reasons to accept this job offer. F. to separate expressions like to, however, of course, nevertheless, in fact. Examples: Of course, I will attend your wedding. The skin of a snake is not rough or slimy. In fact, it is quite dry and smooth. It was a long story. However, it had a strong message. It cost a fortune to renovate the house. Nevertheless, it was worth it. G. to separate the parts of a date from one another or any words following the date. Examples: Kritika graduated from school on October 20, 2006. On March 16, 2010, Niharika was blessed with a baby girl. H. to separate the parts of an address. Examples: 15 Ashoka Road, CB 21 Janakpuri. I. to separate question tags. Examples: Hina likes lemon cakes, doesn't she? Children loved these books, didn't they? J. to separate direct speech from the rest of the sentence. Examples: The woman said, My children like to swim during summers. I can't forget those amazing childhood days, said Delisha. K. to introduce a brief pause. Examples: To clear the IAS entrance examination, you will have to work very hard. Undoubtedly, Sarah is blessed with an exceptional voice. After reading Deepa Malik's story in the newspaper, I was deeply encouraged. L. to separate the if and when clause at the beginning of a sentence. Examples: If it rains, we will have to cancel our dinner reservations. If he reaches late, he will certainly miss the flight. When I finished the book, it left me teary-eyed. When Philip met Christine, he fell in love with her simplicity. M. with but and for. Examples: He deserved to succeed, for he worked very hard. Rebecca wanted to go to the beach, but Mike wasn't interested. Preksha must be very hungry, for she ate both sandwich and muffin. I like blueberry jam with bread, but my brother prefers cheese. N. to separate a non-defining relative clause. Examples: His father, who is in New Jersey, is returning home tomorrow. I went to Tokyo, where I ate sushi at a famous restaurant. London, which is the capital of England, is one of the largest cities in the world. O. to separate two independent clauses. Examples: The beach is a lot of fun, but the mountains are even better. Sansa took piano lessons for 10 years and today she is an accomplished performer. Quotation mark or inverted commas. Quotation marks or inverted commas are used A. To set off the actual words used by a speaker. Examples: Ranbir said, "I need help to organize the library." Little Daisy said to her mother, "I want to have a candy floss." B. For interrupted speeches. Examples: "Congratulations," said father, "for topping the examination." "Pick up the children from school," said Namrata. "I will be late for work." C. To indicate the titles of books, films, plays, songs, stories, work of art, and radio and TV program titles. Examples: My sister has a copy of Jane Eyre. Friends is a very famous TV series of the 90s. Sylvia Plath's poem Mirror is my favorite. D. To enclose a quotation. Examples: Bal Gangadhar Tilak said, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." Abraham Lincoln said, "The best way to predict future is to create it."